Hi, I'm here today with the 68 Rolls Royce, and I thought I'd show you the push-button gear shifter that I had put in this car recently. I ordered this gear shifter from a place called Powertrain Control Solutions, and we actually mounted it down here in the console. It worked out pretty well. I've been trying to do away with as much of the Lucas electrical system as I can as things go wrong with this car. I just want to replace it with things, that are actually going to work. So we removed the column-mounted gear shifter here. You can see that, and we blacked this out. Okay, I'll start the car now so you can see how this gear shifter works. You can see it lights up there. It's in park right now. And to shift, you just put your foot on the brake, and then you press whatever button you want. And now we're in drive. And now we're in reverse. And there's park again. I also had a new head unit put in this thing too. Henn put it in for me. Henn did all the work on this with this gear shifter and stuff. And this new head unit's kind of nice. It still has the CD player, but it also has Bluetooth and has a little USB port on it, which I didn't have before.